What happens if you're charged with a fourth offense OUI in Massachusetts? I'm Michael DelSignore, I'm Massachusetts OUI lawyer. In today's video, I'm going to explain what you need to know about this type of charge. First thing you need to know is your first court date. The government's likely to ask for a dangerousness hearing. They're going to try to hold you without bail for up to 120 days in most cases. This means you potentially could be brought into custody, held for a period of time, and then we'll have a hearing to determine if any conditions of release can assure the safety of the public. In many cases, we can show the GPS monitoring, conditions of release like alcohol-free and testing, what they call a sobriety, or you'll have a breath test literally on you 24 hours a day, and you'll have to take a breath test at certain times during the day. In many cases, those conditions can assure the judge that the public can be kept safe. If the judge allows the dangerousness hearing request, you can be held up to 120 days. Now, could be the government doesn't ask for a dangerousness hearing, and that they will likely ask for bail. I would say a likely bail in a case fourth offense would be probably a $5,000 bail. It can be lower, it can be higher, but I'd say that's probably the average of what many judges would impose in this type of case. But aside from the first court date, which is something you need to be prepared for, you should have a lawyer, then the case proceeds like any other OUI case. The jury doesn't know you've been charged with OUI before, so our defenses are the same. We're still attacking the field sobriety test, contending that those are inaccurate, unreliable. The one-leg stand could be affected by a medical condition, difficulties you have with balance, being nervous. The 9-step walk and turn also has some inaccuracies in it. Some offices don't administer these tests correctly. Many offices assume that a person has to bang their feet together on the 9-step walk and turn, when the rule, the manual that they're supposed to follow allows for there to be a space between the person's feet. So we're still filing the same motion, still confronting the case the same way we would any other OUI offense. But when you're charged with a fourth offense, it's going to be a priority on the court calendar. Your case is likely to be sort of the first case out, and you're looking at jail time if you're convicted. You need somebody on your side for this type of case who does a lot of trials, who's going to prepare every type of defense that there is and be ready to defend your case in the most effective way possible. That's me. I handle these cases every day. I speak at seminars, educate other lawyers, and every day in our practice we're preparing case for trial, getting ready to confront the government's evidence. If you have questions about your case, feel free to contact me at 781-686-5924.